Hi, today I will show you how to fix your Sony wireless noise cancelling headphones quite easy and cheap way by changing old and dirty AirPod cushions. This way you can save money without buying new headphones. As you can see, the current AirPods are dead. They not only look bad, but affect the sound isolation and the bass levels. New replacement AirPods can be bought at popular online shops. Links to new AirPod cushions are in the video description. With a tight grab, try to pull off the whole AirPod, but you have to do it in a such way that the AirPod come off with the whole AirPod plastic base. If you can get it off on one side, try the other side. As you can see, the AirPod is attached to the body of the headphones by these 6 plastic hooks that hook AirPod to the headphone body. Take the new replacement AirPod, turn it so that the seam is down, and try pointing it at the hooks. Then press the AirPod cushion in several places down, until you hear some clicks. Then do the same with the other side of the old AirPod. Remove it, then remember to rotate seam down of the new replacement AirPod and put pod on. It really was that easy. Look at how they look now. Not really comparable to how they looked before. Now also the amount of bass has returned to the music. As usual, I will be happy for some comments and likes for this video. Good luck!